Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to cancel one item on Temu without canceling your entire order. The process is quick and easy, so let's get started. First, open the Temu app and sign into your account if you haven't already. Next, tap the U tab at the bottom of the screen, then select your orders. Now, go to the processing section. This is where you'll find orders that haven't been shipped yet. Keep in mind that you can only cancel items that are still being processed. Find the order that contains the item you want to cancel, then tap on it to open the order details. Next, tap Cancel Order. You'll now have the option to cancel specific items. Select the item you want to remove from the order instead of canceling the entire purchase. After selecting the item, tap Continue. Temu will ask you to choose a reason for the cancellation. Simply select the reason that best matches your situation. Next, choose your preferred refund method, review the cancellation details, and tap Confirm to complete the request. If the item hasn't been shipped yet, your cancellation will be processed successfully, and your refund will usually be issued within 3 to 6 business days, depending on your original payment method. And that's it. That's how you can cancel a single item on Temu without canceling your entire order. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.